Hello and welcome to our channel NutureMite, where we provide informative videos regarding health and lifestyle. Please like, share and subscribe the channel and click on the bell icon for important notification and videos.
Hair and sleeping techniques after C-section recovery. Recovery from a C-section can take a long time period from vaginal birth. But by taking care of yourself and by following the right recovery methods, you can regain your strength and health more quickly. A C-section is abdominal surgery. Your body asks an adequate amount of time to heal from pain and scars. Try to stay in bed or on the recliner as much as possible for the first week. Give your body rest and comfort. Treat yourself with your favorite food and snacks. Don't try to lift anything heavier than your baby. Doing so can cause you pain and also can harm your stitches. Ask your husband or your family members to handle your chores. Ask your family members to stay around your room and to look for you while getting up from the bed. Getting up from bed after resting can be a bigger challenge for you to do alone. It can cause strains and can cause intense pain. Even daily tasks like bathing, washing your hairs, getting dressed, hair drying can be exhausting during the first 2 weeks. Your inability in your daily simple routine might make you feel dizzy and irritated. But as soon as you gain your strength, you can go for your course on your own with a little help. You can go for short walks but skip heavy exercise such as skipping and avoid squats. Avoid driving for the first 3 weeks. The more you rest, the more you quickly recover. Here are some hair and sleeping factors you should consider for faster recovery. Hair washing and lifting your arm after C-section to recover soon. You aren't completely restricted from showering or blow drying. Make sure you're steady in your movements. You have to take it easy. Like, don't bend over to get the underside of your hair. Use a chair. Just go very slow. You can blow dry your hair day after you have your C-section. Just don't lift anything heavier than your baby. And avoid bending. You will feel a lot better after you shower and clean your hair. Generally, new mothers who give birth by C-section can wash their hair 1 week after delivery. The time suggested by doctors is 10 days after delivery because the healing of the wound after surgery takes more than a week to recover. Lifting your arm for washing your hair can cause issues in your stitches. You have to be very careful about how to lift your body parts after having C-section. Following are the three main conditions to be considered for hair wash after C-section delivery. First, C-section wound recovery. C-section wound healing needs more than a week to recover. Do not wash your hair when the wound is still painful. It can easily cause wound infection. Second, weather conditions for recovery during C-sections. Winters are colder and it may take a long recovery time after C-section. Summers after C-section takes less time for recovery. Third, women's physical condition after C-section. Everyone's physical condition is different and recovery after C-section is also different. So how long one can wash hair after C-section is also different. The situation can vary from person to person. Consider these following sleeping positions for recovery according to your comfort. First, straight on back. This position offers more comfort to your incision. It reduces pressure on stitches and chances of pain are comparatively less. Women with high blood pressure and hypertension should be careful with this position. There are chances that women can get strain in the back while getting up suddenly. Second, rolling towards side. Sleeping towards the left side increases blood flow and helps in easing the digestion. You can make yourself sit up with your elbow and push with your arms to get out of bed. You can use a pillow to support your side. Third, using a pillow. Pillow can help you a lot to elevate your body up, and that helps your comfort. Women suffering from OCA find this pillow sleep position their lifesaver, as this position also helps to comfort your breathing. Fourth, rolling onto your tummy. It's not at all safe to roll onto your tummy just after having C-section. However, you don't have your control over your turns during sleep, and the most probable reason for this can be your pain relief meds. After having a painful surgery, pain relief meds help you to have a peaceful and pain free sleep. You should avoid getting onto your belly as the stitches may be sore and can hurt you while getting up. Reach out for help if needed. Going through a C section is itself a very tough journey, so it's completely normal to feel exhausted and irritated on small things. It's normal to feel overwhelmed after childbirth, and a C section can amplify those feelings. Talk to your doctor for help if you feel low and down. Give yourself time to process emotions. Contact your doctor if you experience fever over 100.4 degrees, a rash, severe prolonged headache, sudden intense pain in the abdomen or the incision site, red streaks in your legs, heavy bleeding, or feelings of panic or depression. Be aware of postpartum stress and anxiety symptoms and give yourself a treat as you just cross this challenging situation with the gift of God. Take care of yourself so you can stay safe and healthy and take care of your baby too.
Thank you. Please like, share, and subscribe to the channel. Click on the bell icon for important notifications and videos.